So in this Fiverr tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to share or how to refer a friend here on Fiverr.com. So once Fiverr.com is opened up, go to the top right hand side of your screen, press on your profile picture icon, and then in green text right here it says refer a friend. You guessed it. Go ahead and select it. It'll then bring it to this screen right here where it says take the credit for referring friends to Fiverr, earn up to $500 in Fiverr credits, up to $100 from each referral. Terms and conditions apply, so go ahead and read those to find out here. But you can also scroll down and see more stuff right here. So if you invite friends, refer friends to Fiverr through email with your own personal referral link or spread the word, they get a discount, you get the credits. So it's one of those things where if you share it, it's sort of an affiliate program where it's, you get a reward, they get a reward. Hopefully it benefits everyone. To get them on the platform, you can read more information if you want about it. But if you want to go ahead, you can add an email address here and then press send. So it'll automatically copy this email address or this link and send it to them. Or you can just press copy this right here and then you can share it through text message. You can share it through emails, whatever the case may be in regards to your referral link. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how to refer a friend on Fiverr.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.